old-fashioned Kurz dessert. In a pot, you'll put 1 liter of milk. You will put 3 teaspoons of Kurz powder, 1 tin condensed milk, 1 tin of desserts cream, and rose syrup for taste and color. You will whisk this all together to a boil until it thickens a bit. Pour it into bowls or glasses. Decorate as desired and refrigerate. Enjoy chilled.